Look at those digits sitting in that wallet. Tempting, right? Thinking how you can pocket even a small piece of that? Stay calm. I'm going to show you the full formula on how to set up the perfect rug and lock in a big win. Before we dive into the full breakdown, quick warning, don't fall for the Pump.Fun hype. If you're serious about making big moves, you got to launch the right way. This is where the real money starts flowing. Open up Photon, apply the Pump.Fun Dex filter, and just sit back. New meme coins are flying in non-stop. Random tokens like Arizona and Wizzy pop up all the time, but most vanish in hours. Pump.Fun's just too packed these days because everyone can drop something there. With the radium filter on, peep this. New coins are dropping way less often, only 7 of them in the last 5 minutes. But the interest? It's crazy high. Just scroll through the market cap stats. Pump.Fun can't even compete. Why is that? Radium actually needs dev skills to launch, which keeps the trash out. That's the smarter play. Let's go through the process. Launch Tool came onto my radar a while back, and I swear, this platform is straight gold. Absolutely insane stuff. You can launch on Radium with zero coding background, so it's super easy for anyone to use. Just a few clicks and boom, you're launched. For me, it's been like a profit switch, one I've been flipping nonstop this past month. Logo's already handled. I pulled a nice one off Google. You probably guessed it's another meme-themed coin, as always. Now, open Canva, resize it to 128 by 128 pixels, touch up anything small if needed, and save the file. Smooth sailing, just like butter on a hot pan. Next move, open up Launch Tool. Fill in your token's details carefully. I'm calling this one Sprunky Coin, and the symbol's going to be Sprunky. Add a funny description that fits your vibe, or just leave it blank. I'll do that this time. Upload your logo from earlier, and hit Next. The screen you're seeing now is for token economics. Thankfully, the default setup works great. That 1 billion supply, it's going to be key for what's coming. Go ahead and tap Next again. We're now at the Edit Creator Info stage. Here's the issue. It hits you with a 0.1 SOL fee if you change it. In my opinion, totally not worth it. I'm just going to toggle it off and skip through. Now comes the social media link section, but yeah, I always ignore that part. It's unnecessary. Let's move on. This next section really matters. Be careful, flip the wrong switch here, and you're done. You're probably curious what the big deal is. Let me explain. If you leave Revoke Freeze off, you can freeze trades anytime. Revoke Mint means unlimited coin creation whenever you want. Revoke Update, that lets you edit the token as you please. Investors will notice right away. Turn off just one, and boom, zero trust, zero buyers, zero momentum. Leave those settings alone and press Launch My Token. Your wallet's going to pop up right away. Go ahead and approve the transaction. That's it, clean and simple. Now you'll be able to see all the coin info. I'm quickly hopping on SolScan to confirm it. And yup, it's now on the chain officially. But one thing's missing. It still isn't tradable. We need to fix that right now. Open Launch Tool again and hit Create Liquidity Pool. You'll be sent straight into Radium's interface. Begin by connecting your wallet right here. Next, make your meme coin the base token. Just go into Launch Tool, copy your token address, tap that token field, and paste it into the input under the Select the Token section. After that, fill in your meme coin's info. I'll be using Sprunky as the symbol and Sprunky Coin for the name. Then click on Add User Token and tap on the token you added. Now type in 900 million, which is usually the standard out of the full 1 billion supply. Pick Solana as the quote token right here. Basically, you're buying your own token first, so just press max. You won't lose anything. Make sure to take 0.2 SOL off the total to cover the Radium creation fee. They show that in yellow text. Go ahead and choose 2% for the fee tier setting. Once everything looks good, hit Initialize Liquidity Pool, confirm the wallet prompt, and just like that, your token is officially open for trading. Go to Photon real quick. You'll see that our coin is listed without a doubt. Now let's move on and check its price chart. Open DexScreener.com and click on any random coin to start. Wait a second for the chart to load. After that, go back to Launch Tool, copy your coin's address, paste it where the other token's address is on DexScreener, and hit enter. Boom. Chart is live. Down below, you'll notice some buy orders already in. But yeah, it's just bot traffic for now. Ignore that for now. Just give it a second and let's wait on the first live order. First one just landed, and we only waited around 10 minutes. It came in at $87 or 0.5 sol. I'm still watching though, just to see what's next. And yep, second one just showed up, and it's a 0.64 SOL order. Check the stats. Liquidity is $712. Market cap stands at $660. I'm betting those numbers keep climbing if we let it ride a bit longer. That's a win right there. And the best part, this whole process doesn't require any marketing at all. You can do this again and again. Like I said, this strategy is next level. Oh wait, look at that. Third order just came in, almost $100, and it's 0.56 SOL. Total madness. And now check those stats. Market cap and liquidity both jumped to 776 and 777, and the coin's only been out for 22 minutes. Huge profits already? I'm good with that, so let's lock in the profit now. First, go to Radium, connect your wallet, and click on the standard option at the bottom. Press the minus button here. Move the slider over to 100%. Keep your eye on the Solana value. That's the important part. Then hit the Remove Liquidity button. Confirm it as always, and there it is. The message pops up saying it's confirmed, and that means your profits are in hand. This is the part I enjoy the most. Open up your Phantom wallet and soak it in. I invested $276, and it turned into a crazy $189 profit. But hold up. Important disclaimer. I have no ties with Launch Tool, Photon, or Radium at all. Everything here was just to teach and show what's possible. The method's been wild, but I won't promise it'll always work. So yeah, if you want to try it, don't wait. This loophole's living on borrowed time, guys. Could get shut down any day. So you better go all in now while it's still a money-making machine.